Hello, hola, ni hao. It's Mr. Staley again, and this video is to explain how your grade works in this independent course. I'm going to walk you through a few things, how you can get a good grade in this class, and there's a few questions after that as one of your first assignments. Again, this is me, a rather crazy-looking gentleman in the picture, and I want to just go over grades. As you know, this class, there's two components to this class. One is Rosetta Stone. You have to complete 1, 2, 3, 4 units of a level, and that will be 75% of your grade. And you can check that by checking your progress report. Remember, green is good, status complete. You need all of the 1, 2, 3, 4 units to be green and to be completed to have 100% on your progress on Rosetta Stone. There will also be some assignments each week, and those assignments you'll see here, it'll say these are the first assignments, but each week there'll be a folder that'll say assignments to complete. Those are 25% of your grade. So I just want to walk you through how some of this works. For example, here's our fictional student, Johnny Appleseed. He did 78% of his Rosetta Stone, and he did about half of his Schoology assignments. If you average 75% of that, 25%, he wounds up with 72%. A C, he passes for the year. Some of you may be coming in mid-year and say you didn't do so well in Spanish class in your old school, and you have 2 transfer grades, 50 and 50. You too can still complete the full year and get the credit. For example, if Jenny, if she comes in, she gets she does all the Rosetta Stone, she does 75% of the assignments. If you include her transfer grades, you'll see she'll get 65%. Let's say she does 100% of her Schoology, and then she gets averaging, even though she failed the first 2 quarters, she still passes and gets the credit. Couple things of note. So here's Senor Guapo. That's my AKA, what they call me in the street. For you Spanish speakers, look it up. Or if you're not a Spanish speaker, look it up. If you're a Spanish speaker, ignore it. Let's say I'm a pretty lazy dude and I don't do any of the Rosetta Stone, but I think I'm too cool for school and I do all the Schoology assignments. Let's look what happens to my final grade. I do not pass. I get a 25%. The Rosetta Stone is what you need in order to pass the class. However, let's say my dog Brenna, my new puppy, she gets on the Rosetta Stone and is just a language prodigy. And she does everything in Rosetta Stone because that's the kind of dog she is. But she's busy and can't get around. She's busy digging and sniffing and destroying my kids' flip-flops and does none of the assignments on Schoology. So she has 100% of the Rosetta Stone. She does an hour each week all through the school year. Doesn't do the assignments. Look at her grade, 75%. She still passes and gets the language credit. So again, Rosetta Stone is the thing that you need in order to pass. Then if you want to get a high grade, A or B, which of course I recommend, you also have to do the Schoology assignments. Okay, if any of that is not clear, please contact me, Mr. Staley, via Schoology message, email, phone, whatever suits you. And then after this, there's a quick quiz to get you off with a nice grade on your Schoology part of your grade. Thank you. Adios. Sayonara.